I'm speaking today with Akihito Nohara. He's an executive vice president at Rakuten Bank in Japan, and in many ways he performs the chief operating officer role. Rakuten Bank is part of the Rakuten group. Basically, in Japan, that's sort of the Amazon and the eBay of Japan, with a gigantic sort of a database of consumers buying and selling items. Rakuten Bank is the financial services wing of Rakuten Group. We're going to talk today a little bit about the unique business model, and we're going to find a little bit more about how it works. So, Mr. Nohara, thank you for speaking to us today.
Yeah.
So, tell me a little bit about Rakuten Bank and what are some of the sort of special features of Rakuten Bank?
Good. Okay. As we know, Rakuten Bank is specialized on the internet. We provide financial service by only internet. Internet only bank is in Japan. There is other few banks just like Sony Bank and Smithson SBI, Japan Net Bank. These they also provide financial service via internet, but the difference between these banks and us is we are the subsidiary of Rakuten. Rakuten, as you mentioned, Rakuten provides e-commerce service, and we are just a subsidiary of Rakuten. Rakuten provides various internet service, and financial service is one of the contents of Rakuten. So we are in charge of providing banking service to our Rakuten members, especially Rakuten members. This is a key feature of our business.
Okay.
Yeah.
I guess not all internet-only banks lend. Of course, previously the e-bank, which Rakuten bought to form Rakuten Bank. E-bank didn't have lending; it only had fee-based services, and it had its treasury investments. Now you actually now have lending, and you're trying to balance lending business with a fee-based business. So can you sort of tell me a little bit about that balance?
Okay. As for the banking business, the lending is the main business for banking industries. But compared to other huge mega banks, Rakuten banks, the asset of the Rakuten Bank is very, very, very small. The asset size is $10 billion US, relatively small size. So to compete with these mega banks, the scale is a very, very important point. Traditional banking business model is asset-based business model. So if we want to compete with these mega banks, we must grow big. But it is a far way to achieve. So we focus on the customers. In other words, we have many internet users in Rakuten groups. So we focus these customers. These customers use internet, and they have no mental barrier to use a financial service via internet. So we focus on these customers. We provide these customers online payment, especially online payment, and also provide various financial products, say mutual fund and foreign currency deposit, and so on.
Now, I understand that Rakuten Bank wants to be the bank that can cover all of its cost base with its fee income. So fee income will be 100% of the cost base, and then of course the net interest income is the profit. How close are you to this goal?
We nearly achieved the target. We are now up to close. So my target is to beat the budget within this year.
Now, online payments. Lots of banks try online payments. What's the way to make online payments and the fees from online payments profitable enough to cover costs?
Okay. As you may know, online payment, the fee or the online payment is very, very small. But if we have a huge transaction, it will be make sense.
The volume.
Yeah, but the volume is very, very important. Mm-hmm. We have a huge, mega e-commerce business.
The Rakuten.
Yeah, Rakuten. Rakuten have a very, very, very huge e-commerce business. So Rakuten provide e-commerce service. So then this service accompanied with money flow. So to grasp this money flow, this will be in our business. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You get a lot of business from Rakuten Ichiba mm-hmm. and other parts. So what percentage of your income came from Rakuten other companies?
I think 30%, around 30%. Yeah.
Because in the past, eBank didn't have a connection to Rakuten Group.
Yeah.
So it was basically on its own.
Yeah.
It was trying to find customers here and there.
Yeah.
But you have a very large synergy with Rakuten.
Yes. Yes.
So, and that's 30% of your income.
Yeah. Yes. But the reason why we are being profitable is not only getting the customer from Rakuten Group, but also made a business reform. We focus on customers, and we analyze the customers, and also we analyze our product, and which one is profitable and which one is not profitable. So then we make sure each segment and made that decision. This one will be in a bad business, so we must change the business model.
Yeah. Okay. In retail banking, I think a lot of the profitability now comes through partnership. Really. Mm-hmm. I think your model is quite amazing model, really, to work together with Rakuten Group.
Yeah.
In terms of your client base, how many clients are shared with the Rakuten Group, and how many are?
Currently we have 3.6 million customers, and the coverage, cross coverage is. Half of our customers related to a Rakuten business.
Okay. Yeah. That's quite a lot.
Yeah.
So it's a very good partnership between Rakuten Bank and Rakuten.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Thank you so much, Mr. Nohara, for speaking to us today about
your
model.
And
good luck going forward.
Yeah, thank you.
Great.